Right, so at the moment I'm doing some T-Rexes and some generic scary clowns. How are they looking? Fine. Them generic scary clowns, if you look at my floor, it's a bit of a mess. I had it cock up twice, but I think that might be user error. Anyway, what's on the third printer? Nothing. The third printer's gone. Yeah, it's gone. There is a reason behind this space. So I got rid of my other AD5X, and the reason for that is I want this space for my new printer, which is the FlashForge Creator 5 Pro. The problem I've got at the moment is, where is my Creator 5 Pro? But on the 6th or the 7th of June. It was supposed to be at the middle of May. That's what they said when I pre-ordered it. As soon as the pre-orders come available, because I wanted it so much. So I thought to myself, because it's coming in the middle of May, I'll get rid of this top printer, which I did do, because I do need the space. It's not a huge room, it's really not. Anyway, still haven't got it. About 2 days ago, I did email FlashForge saying, where the fuck me printer? I want me printer. Anyway, they just give me generic rubbish, why it hasn't been released yet. And that's it. I did try a couple of emails to them, but same generic stuff, what they're telling me. And do you know what winds me up more than anything? This really winds me up. Let me see if I can turn this camera around. So you look at YouTube and you look at all these people, really not so much them, but here we go. Right, all these people with the Creator 5s, this fucker with his Creator 5 Pro. But yeah, it seems like they're going out, but they're just not coming to me. Yeah, don't speak. Right. It doesn't bother me waiting for it. It really doesn't. The problem I had is when they told me it'd be here. Now, like I said, I got rid of my space. I got rid of my top one for it. That was the whole point. The reason I wouldn't have got rid of it yet. I wouldn't have got rid of it. I've got too much to print out. Anyway, back to it. So this is a nice message. I'm not being funny. I'm trying to be as nice as possible. I'm fed up of AI bots responding to me when I do email FlashForge. But when and will I get my Creator 5 Pro? That's what I want to know. That's what a lot of people want to know, when we will receive them. They're not sure on the dates. It's the end of June, end of July. It's very contradiction on what's happening. But please keep us informed. Anyway, let's see if they get back in touch with me. Thanks for watching.